As a parent, there's nothing more precious than your child's well-being. But when it comes to their mental and brain health, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Did you know that 1 in 5 children struggle with mental health issues, such as anxiety, depression, or ADHD? As a parent, it can be heartbreaking to see your child suffer. My name is Trish Schneider, and I am a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner who specializes in working with children, adolescents, and young adults. Get to the root cause of their health concerns. I want you to know that there's more to mental health and treatment than medication. Join me on my live free workshop, Lab Testing, Nutrition, and Gut Health, the trilogy to brain wellness. Understand the triad of nutrition, gut microbiome, and adrenal balance, and how to harness their power to boost mood, focus, and overall well-being. You will understand the connection and how to address things like neurological deficiencies, which are going to help boost mental clarity and promote overall well-being. You'll also learn the importance of gut health and how to promote a balanced microbiome. In addition, you'll realize the impact of systemic inflammation on the development of mood disorders and other conditions, such as autoimmune diseases, metabolic syndrome, and chronic infections. Also, how symptoms such as fatigue, brain fog, low mood, anxiety, and a reduced ability to handle stress can be from the depletion of the adrenal glands. Are you tired of feeling stuck? Have you considered a natural approach? My Brain Protocol addresses the critical connections between nutrition, gut health, and brain function to improve brain cognition. I have helped many parents get their child feeling better by providing integrative treatments. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your child's life. Secure your spot today and join me for a free workshop that will empower you to unlock a brighter future for your child.